when the light shine bright. Some rejoice and some run hide, 'cause truth expose what darkness try conceal. Rastafari watching over all. Oh na na, oh na na, oh na na na, na na na. Midnight shadows cover the lane, Babylon drowning in greed and pain. Me see wicked men hide them face when Jah reveal the truth and grace. False leaders preaching peace and love, yet corruption rise above. Silver tongue and smiling disguise, but Jah can see beyond them lies. Poor man crying through the storm, searching for a place warm. Still the holy fire blaze bright, guiding souls toward the light. Sinners run from light to night, fear the truth and Jah inside. Though the wicked hide endlessly, truth shall reign eternally. Sinners run from light and flee, but Jah I still clearly see. Lion of Judah lead the way, guide the righteous every day. Yeah, me granny tell me long ago, truth like river always flow. No darkness can forever stand before Jah mighty hand. So me meditate beside the flame, calling softly Jah holy name. Nyabinghi drums beat deep and low, like sacred rivers overflow. Me see humble souls with little gain, still walk free from wicked shame, while rich men trapped by greed and pride carry emptiness inside.